Kisukiyukit Kapaniskis. Good afternoon, everyone. Here we are in the Ktunaxa Territory. We've got the Vahana goats working here at the Iloma Forest Farm. And this is part 2 of rehabilitating the forest here in the Ktunaxa Territory. So we're in the most perfect edge area to talk about what I want to talk about just right now. So here you can see that great big stump right there. And you see this other nice big tree that was there. So back when this was logged either in the 60s or the 80s, the small fir trees moved in really quickly. So you can see back there how thick the forest is. And then here at Iloma Forest Farm, they had the Fire Smarty Party where they took down a lot of those small firs that have taken over the land. And they piled them and burned them. You can see the burn spot right there. And in conjunction with that action, we're bringing the goats in to eat down a lot of the fire fuel we have a lot of risk here in the East Kootenay because it gets so dry so quickly because most of the trees were removed and we don't have much soil structure, and so it's very dry in this area that it's been so prolifically logged. So we are working in conjunction with that work that they did this spring to take out and evenly leave the firs here so it's a little bit more healthy and not so congested like it is over there. And then in conjunction, we've got the goats working and they're reducing the fuel, the fire fuel, and they're recycling it back into the soil. So anywhere where there's old logs that have fallen down or these old stumps, each time the goats walk over that old dead wood matter, they poke it into the ground. And it's really awesome because it just rained last night, and when they can do that, when we can walk the goats across the land after it's rained, that actually makes all of their manure and their urine and all of their hoof action pressing in all of that and the old wood matter into the soil, which is building the soil and creating soil structure that can hold more water. And then with the work that they've done, they're letting more light into the forest floor, which actually will grow more understory and start building that fungal network back again. So this is really exciting work. This is what I'm here for. Bye for now.